Last 2 days, we have been working on the NSOutlineView to implement the playlist-like outline view in the iTunes. And yesterday, we were able to drag it to reorder the playlist. Today, we want to add a simple feature, which is the undo of the dragging. We'll be making use of the NS Undo Manager. So let's get it started. First, we find the code piece that we use to move the node, which is here. We move the source node to a particular index path. So an undo operation of this would be moving back the same node to the original index path. Thus, we start by gathering the original index path. Let's call it from index path from the tree controller dot selection index path. This selection index path would return the first object being selected. While we are doing dragging, we will only drag one object, so that particular object or item and its location is where we want to get as the from index path. Next, I'm going to implement a new function, which is to do the undo operation. I will call it reverse for demo purpose. You may want more clear name when you are doing a real operation, depending on what kind of undo operation you want to do. And it will pass two parameters. One is the source node, because I'm moving the source node back to the from index path. The second parameter will be the from index path. Alright, here it does one simple thing, which is use the tree controller to move node again. It moves the source node that is passing in, and then back to the from index path. I will just unwrap it for demo purpose. So the remaining thing is to tell the undo manager to use this particular operation when it is applicable. Basically, it's after moving the node. So I will do it here, undo manager. And by using this prepare with info station target, we tell the undo manager to perform a certain operation, literally a function, in order to undo. And since our function device is here, we will give it the target as self, as this current object. And the Xcode would be able to point to the self object and find the reverse function here. We pass in the source node and the from index path here. Moreover, as you can see from the menu of other application, you can set the name of the undo operation. For instance, what we want to undo is to undo the move operation. So we could say undo manager and set action name. I want to call it move. Then run the application. Now if I drag P1 down to the bottom, and see the edit. There's the undo move. This move is what I set in the action name. Click on it, then it will go back. That's it for today. Thank you very much.